Hello. This video shows an elegant version of a waffle knit with long loops. The knit is open work, with an impressive texture and creative relief. The pattern consists of 3 loops and 2 rows. We start from the right side. Row 1 right side, we work with the loops in groups of 3. After the edge loop, pull up a long loop between the first and the second. Make a yarn over, and knit 3 together through the back. Repeat. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, and knit 3 together through the back. Repeat. Pull up a loop, yarn over, and knit 3 together through the back. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 2 wrong side, again, we work with the loops in groups of 3. But we form new groups. Purl 1 loop outside the scheme at the beginning of the row to form new triples. The next 3 loops form a triple. Purl all 3 in the following order, the first, the third, the second. Again. Purl 3, the first, the third, the second. Purl 3, the first, the third, the second. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. You can easily do the knit I've shown you in just 2 rows. It's tidy, elegant, and fashionable. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.